Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your Ubisoft account to your Discord account. It's very easy, let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to ubisoft.com. Now from there we sign in the top right corner, as you can see right here, and from there we press in and head down to the accounts management. Now inside the account management, we go to the account information, scroll all the way down till you see these connected accounts, the possibilities. And here we already see Discord. Now simply press link. And once you press link, you need to first allow your browser to make a pop-up for Ubisoft. And from there you can press authorize. Now inside the authorize, the connection will happen automatically, as you can see right here, and both have been linked. Now you can use them simultaneously. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.